The tip for grilling is getting a very simple grill pan. That is so easy to find. You can find it anywhere. It's inexpensive. It will last you forever. I've had this for a long, long time. And the important thing is that it has those ridges. And what it does with the spaces in between, it doesn't allow for the moisture to collect. So it repels with the heat. It repels the vegetable. And that's what gives it that wonderful grilling feeling. So, number one, get this pan. Then, the other thing is get yourself a little squeeze bottle. You can find that at a supermarket, and put some good extra virgin olive oil in there. And the reason why I like this is because it controls how much oil you put in. You don't need very much oil. And I'm going to show you, I don't even need it at the beginning. I just drizzle it at the end, but you'll see. Grill pan is on very high heat, and I'm waiting for it to be really, really hot. Remember, that's important. So I'm just going to put my eggplant on there. You hear the little sizzle, a little bit. Okay, so look at this. I like to do it with my fingers, but you don't have to. You can do it with this, but look, I like to do it with my fingers. And then, and only then, and only if you want to, I do, because I love extra virgin olive oil. I am a Frenchie, Mediterranean, so of course olive oil is part of my cooking, but you don't necessarily have to. It will be okay even without any oil. But I like to, at this stage, just drizzle, just a little bit. That's it. And this, which seemed like a lot, maybe what, it was a half a teaspoon? That's it. I forgot the salt, but I would just put a little salt, fresh pepper, and boom, here you have it.